2018 Shop of the Year. At the NAPA AutoCare Atlanta 2018 holiday event this year, Gunter Automotive was recognized as the 2018 Shop of the Year by NAPA Auto Parts in the Atlanta area. Chris Warren, District Manager, presented the award last month. Owner Wayne Gunter is an active board member of the NAPA AutoCare Atlanta Business Development Group, lending a hand wherever there is a need, including the Cubmobile Challenge activity at Spooky Ree, an event sponsored by the NAPA AutoCare Atlanta in support of the Boy Scouts of America in the Atlanta area, the Northeast Georgia Council Scout Day Expo in the spring, and many more.
I put a lot of hours into working for other people. It was hard for me when I'm doing something. I hate to leave something unfinished. So, I would be working till sometimes 12, 1 o'clock in the morning. Of course, I had kids and, trying to raise them too. As a young adult and young parent, you had to work to make the money. So, but I was passionate about it. No matter what I did, it was always my reputation, even when I worked for somebody else. I ran a performance shop for another company for several years. But my goal was to start my own business, and had been since I was a kid. Worked 4 years, opened the performance shop. They sold parts, but they had closed the shop when I left. So I opened that back up for him and ran it for about 4 or 5 years. Moved into a bigger building with them, and then decided it was time in 2003 to move out and open our own. So a good bit of at that time he decided to close. So basically the customer base I purchased from him, and we just moved the whole base over, which was all performance at the time, very little, just general mechanic work. But that was my goal. I was wanting to help everybody, not just performance people, but the everyday families that were out there and in need and looking for a good, honest shop. So, and we all know there's a lot. It's easy to take advantage of people in this business. So, it was a chance for me to get out there and have my own place and run it like I wanted to make sure everybody was treated fairly. So that's what we did. Michelle up front is my service advisor. Customers love her. She's great, honest, and she knows her stuff. So they just love dealing with her. They'd be very disappointed not to see her here if she ever decided to go anywhere else. But I don't think she will. We try to be good to her. So, and then we have Chip, the shop foreman. He's also a partner here. My brother-in-law for 32 years now. Married to my older sister. He runs the shop. His background, he worked for Ford for 17 years. He built automatic transmissions for years. But he's a good all-around drivability. Pretty much anything you need to do on a car he can do. And then Eddie has been with us. Eddie's been with us almost 10 years now. But he's been doing it for probably 30, 32, 34 years. And Chip has also about 35 years working on cars. So the experience here is pretty good.
Join us in congratulating Wayne and the team at Gunter Automotive, the 2018 Shop of the Year.
Now you have top local certified mechanics, quality, reliability, and efficiency standards backed by the national power of NAPA. Just look for the NAPA AutoCare logo. NAPA AutoCare Centers. The parts you trust are now the shops you rely on.